Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how to go through the setup process of this phone. So when you boot it up for the first time, you should be presented with the welcoming screen right here in basically all different languages. Swipe up and you will then have the option to select your desired language, which I'll be sticking with English. Then choose your country or region. Then we have quick start, so we can set up manually, so I guess it's not such a quick start anyway, but we have write and spoken languages, so we can change those if you want to switch them up if they're not set by default to what you want. Then we have network connection, which you are required to connect to, or you can also connect it to your computer, either this or that, but you will need to either connect it to the computer or use the password here for your Wi-Fi. So quickly sign in here. And there we go. So you can see once you sign in, it goes to the next page. It gives us a message that this might take a couple minutes, so just be patient. Okay, so next we have data and privacy. Obviously the only option here is to continue or learn more. We'll just give you more information, but at the end of the day you can just only press on continue. From here we have Face ID, so this will allow you to set up a face unlock if you want to use that, and if you don't, you can set up later. Obviously nowadays Face ID is not as great considering we're all wearing masks, so this feature seems to be a little bit redundant. So anyway, from here we can put our PIN, assuming we want to, or we can set up other options, and as an example we can also use some alphabetical passwords, 4-digit or custom, or simply don't use one at all if that is something that you want to do, which I'm gonna go with that one. And select again, don't use passcode. And this brings us to the next page, apps and data. So from here we can basically restore our device either from a computer or iCloud, a couple additional options, or simply set it up as a new one by selecting the don't transfer apps and data. And this brings us to the Apple ID. So in here you would log in with your account, assuming you have one. If you don't, you can create one, and if for now, as an example, you don't really want to bother with it, you can select forget password, don't have an Apple ID, and it will give you an option right here, set up later in settings. So this will allow you to finish up the setup without actually needing to create an Apple ID. And obviously we have terms and conditions. No device has, well, we'll forget about that one. So yes, obviously we have to agree to this. Keep your iPhone up to date. No option here, so obviously we just continue. Here we have some options for iMessage and FaceTime, so people can contact you. I select not now. Location services, if you want them enabled or not, you can select it right here. Screen time, just a monitoring of how you use your screen. iPhone analytics, share, no, I won't be sharing anything. And then we have theme, either dark or light, just pick one. I'm gonna stick with the light one. And then we have display zoom, so as you can see, just a comparison how it looks like when it's zoomed and when it isn't, although it doesn't change anything here. And then we get welcome to iPhone. So swipe up and there you go. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.